Welcome back. We are Austin and Sarah, and over the last month we have been building this chicken coop right behind me here. And in today's video we are going to be doing one of the most important steps. We are going to be putting on our roof, as well as hopefully finishing up the batten, some of the trim, and if we have time and if the weather allows it, paint. So if you want to see me build this chicken coop, let's do it.
We used to look sad. We used to have luck. And time without money. We seem to have the time it took. We used to have our things in place. Now reel me in, I've come too deep. Forgotten what you used to say. We used to have time. We used to be careless. We used to look sad, but we couldn't care less. We seem to have the time it took. We used to have our things in place. Now reel me in, I've gone too deep. Forgotten what you used to say.
We got our roofing on and it's time to put the trim and the ridge cap on.
Feel it. We used to feel this. Do you see me? Young and carefree. We used to have time. We used to be careless. We used to have time, but we couldn't care less. Do you feel it? We used to feel this. Do you?
So we got all of the roofing trim on, and now I'm going to go and put some of these trim pieces for the windows, finish the board and batten, and then hopefully I have enough light and I'm going to do just some final touch-ups, some wood fill, things like that, and then we're going to be ready to paint. And that's probably going to be tomorrow's job, but yeah, it's coming along. I have something in my eye and it's just burning. Problems. It's going to be so nice to finish the outside of it, and then we'll have a little bit to do on the inside, but it's just going to feel so nice to get it done, painted, and like looking how we want it to look. So I'm going to work my butt off before we run out of light, and hopefully we have everything ready to go in the morning for some paint.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So we got all of the board and batten up here, and it looks great, honestly, and it's going to look even better once it's all painted. And we're going to paint the side, the siding, the trim. It's going to be all white, and then I think we might stain the windows the same stain as the run. So a little accent there will look really good. But tonight we're losing light, so I'm going to go and patch some of these little nail holes with some wood filler, and then yeah, and we'll pick it up in the morning, and it'll be time to paint. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is time to do some painting of our chicken coop. So I went ahead and I sanded all of the nail holes that we put the wood filler in, and then I also put some tape around some of the window trim so that we don't get any paint on the window. And I think this is ready to go. We're gonna go with a white. It's not quite cream, but it's not like a stark white, so kind of in the middle there. And I think with the black, and then I think we'll stain this to match the run. I think that color combination is going to look really sharp. So without further ado, my least favorite part of all projects, let's get to painting.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So we got a couple of these done, the kind of strips there, and you probably can't tell, but the paint is just getting soaked up by this wood, and that I anticipated that, but it's gonna take so long to paint this. So if I get one side done today, I'll call that a success. But yeah, we have 5 gallons of paint, and I kind of doubt that's gonna be enough because this wood is just soaking up this paint, and it's for sure gonna need 2 coats. But nevertheless, we'll keep chugging along and try and knock out at least one side today. Well, we finished painting it all, which is crazy. I still have to do another coat, but for the most part, I mean, it looks really, 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 really good. I like it a lot. And we still have to put the door on, and then we have to do some of the inside work. And I think so we'll get probably one more video out of this chicken coop build series, which it's a long time in the making. It's been about 6 weeks in total that we've been from start of the run to where the chicken coop's at. But yeah, it's gonna be nice. When it's done, it's gonna be nice to have. It's gonna be nice to look at. The chickens are gonna love it. And that's one more thing that we get to check off of our long, long list of projects that we have for the property here. So if you have not watched any of the other videos, or if this is your first time watching, thanks for watching. My name is Austin, and my wife Sarah and I, we moved to a property in Wisconsin a year and a half ago with the dream of just kind of breaking free from some of the city busyness, some of these city stressors, and we have been finding a lot of peace and a lot of quiet here in the country. And right now especially, it's just beautiful out here. The trees are changing, the temperature's dropping just a little bit, so it's kind of makes for that nice cozy weather. We haven't started our fire yet indoors, but that'll be coming soon. So yeah, just very, 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 very grateful for this this project and this this series that we've been doing on building this chicken coop. And again, thank you for watching. My name is Austin. If you haven't watched any of the other videos, I encourage you to go back, watch those. We'll have another video on Sunday with the chicken coop hopefully finished, question mark, I think. So we'll see you Sunday. Peace.